Okay, so now that you have the seam tightened up, now it's time to do the adjustment. What'll happen is that the angle between the two mirrors needs to be 90.00 degrees, literally, and you can tell if it's off the farther back you are. So the trick is you actually use things in the distance to help you get it right. If you notice all the lines in the back, when I'm moving the camera over that middle seam there, you don't see any kind of shimmer. And that's because it's actually in alignment. What I'm going to do is take it out of alignment by turning this knob here, okay, on the side. What this knob does is adjust the entire right side panel in and out. So as you turn it, you'll end up seeing a split. Now you see now in the center, there's a little shimmer there, a split of the image, okay? Now that split actually goes right through your eyes when you're actually looking at yourself. So it's very distracting, and that has to be removed. But if you notice, if I use this this bar right here behind me, I can see the split pretty clearly there, right? So as I turn it, I'm going to turn it towards me. You can see now it's just a lot smaller. Sorry, get my face here. So now it's a lot smaller now. And the thing is you move your head back and forth, that's when you'll see it. So you see that shimmer, that split right in the middle. And there's a sweet spot where it's actually perfect. And as you move across, there's nothing in there. Now it turns out if you move too far, you'll start to see a shimmer there again. See how there's kind of right when I move over that thing, there's a little shimmer. Before it was a split. See the split? And then after, when I did it too much, it's not quite right. So there's a sweet spot as I move along that it's perfect. Now the trick is that is usually what you need to do on a regular basis based on temperature and humidity. It could be once a day, it could be once every 2 weeks. Just a slight turn and you fix it. You'll tell because from behind 5 or 10 feet away you say, oh, it's out of alignment. All you got to do is come over here, tweak that, and you're fine. Now the trick is that especially in any kind of situation that's got a lot of variation in temperature, it's possible that the top is actually hotter than the bottom, which means the bottom has to be adjusted separate to the top. And that's what this knob, this adjustment thing is for. And if you look in here, there's a small little, can you see, there's a little knob that basically, hopefully you don't have fat fingers, but you can come in there and turn this separately. And we do the same thing, but we work with the image down at the bottom. And if you look at the bottom, you see that big shimmer that's there now, right now. So the top is okay, but I've taken the bottom out of alignment. And this shouldn't have to be done more than once or twice. You get it working, and then it should be fine. Okay. So you see now I've gone too far. See, now I have a split. As I come back, again, there's a sweet spot where there's no change in the image as I move along. So once you get it right, then you can be way back here and everything's clear. So that's pretty much it. First the seam tightening and then the adjustment. And I hope this video is informative. Anyway, so that's it. And give us a call if you have any questions. Thanks.